Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to use the roofr.com. Okay, so the very first thing that we are going to do here is we have to open any of our web browser. Okay, and then using the search bar at the top, you just have to search for roofr, and then you have this first website. So all you have to do is to click on this one. That's right, and you will be redirected to their website. So as you can see at the top, we have the login and start for free option. So if you don't have an account yet, you just have to tap on the start for free. That's right. And then you just have to sign up for an account. Okay, so you just have to log in with your email, your Facebook account, or your Google account. Okay, so now, okay, I'm going to show you how to use the roofr.com step by step. So if you're new to this platform, do not worry because I'm going to walk you through the basics so you can understand how it works and how you can use it effectively. So again, the Roofr is a tool mainly used by roofing contractors and businesses to create roof measurements, estimates, and proposals all online. So if you're curious about it, how it works, so let's get started. So before we jump into the steps, let's quickly talk about what Roofr actually does. So the Roofr is an online platform that helps you measure roof using satellite imagery, create professional estimates, and build and send proposals to clients. So instead of manually measuring roofs, the Roofr lets you do everything digitally, which saves a lot of time and effort. So it's especially useful for contractors, freelancers, and even beginners who want to learn roofing estimation. Okay, so the next one is you have to verify your email. So if you haven't verified your email after you sign up, so you just have to do that. Okay, so now let's take a look at the dashboard. So when you log in, so this is how it looks like. You'll be able to see here your projects, the measurement reports, your proposals. So this is basically your main workspace where you manage everything. So don't worry if it looks like a bit overwhelming at first. You'll get used to it as we go through the steps. Okay, so as you can see right here, you have your jobs, your calendars, your performance right here. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds. So you'll be able to see your job report, lead performance, team performance, lost jobs, overview workflow, and the pipeline. Okay, so now let's do one of the main features, creating a roof measurement. So the first step is to create a new project. Okay, so here you just had to tap on this new option. That's right. Okay, so we have jobs, so this will create a card on the CRM board. We have report, get a measurement report in hours, or proposals, convert reports into customer proposals, or contact, add new contact to the Roofr. Okay, so here I'm just going to create job. So now you just have to add here the job address. So for example, I'm just going to type it right here, Laguna, Philippines, and then the job name. So okay, first project. So I'm just going to name this one as first project, and then tap on continue. Okay, so again, let's try to create a new job. All right. Okay, so let me try to add another location right here. Okay, so I'm just going to name this one as job 1. Then tap on continue, and then once you've successfully created your job, all you have to do here is to add the job details. Okay, so we have to enter the property address after it. So this is very important because the Roofr will use satellite imagery to locate the building. And after that, you just have to add here now the details of this job. So here we have the assignee. So you have to select your assignees. For example, I'm just going to assign myself for this one. And then for the close date, you have to add it right here. For example, okay, so let me just select the 13. And for the job value, you just have to add it right here. Okay, and for the workflow and stages, and then the source. Now for the details, so frequently reference info like gate codes, material selections, parking, and etc. And then if this one has an insurance, so you just have to add that right here. Okay, and then for the task, what needs to get done? So you have to add that right here. So you need to choose your assignee and then the due date. Okay, and for your calendar, you can add event. And for the measurement, of course, you have to add that right here. Okay, then you have your proposals and etc. Okay, so here we have the PDF signer. Okay, so when you see this crown icon, so it means that we have to subscribe to a plan or upgrade our current plan in order for us to access this feature. Okay, next one is the material order. The work orders, invoices, the job posting, the attachment, and the instant estimate. So next one is to create an estimate. So okay, so after you have your measurement, the next step is creating an estimate. Okay, so you'll be able to see your measurement. That's right. So you just have to go to our jobs or our projects. So you have that right here. That's right. Okay, and then you just have to select it to create an estimate. So for example, this is our projects, right? Okay, so we'll be able to see that right here. Okay, so we have here Roofr report, the DIY report, the upload file, new event proposals, and then we will be able to see here the our estimate. So for example, we just have to add here the materials like the shingles, nails, and etc. And then the labor costs, the additional fees. So the Roofr allows you to customize everything depending on your pricing. So keep your estimate simple and clear so your clients can understand them easily. So once you're done, you'll see the total cost automatically calculated. Okay, so here we have the instant estimate. So you just have to add those right here. All right. So after that is creating a proposal. So let's move on to the proposal section. So you just have to create a proposal. Okay, so this one, that's right. So this is where you turn your estimate into professional document. So you can add your company logo, include the project details, and then show the pricing breakdown. So the Roofr also provides templates, so you don't need to start from scratch. And once your proposal is ready, you can send it directly to your client or download it as PDF. So this makes you look more professional and organized. So there's more that you can actually explore here. Okay, so at first it's overwhelming because you see a lot of options, but it's just super easy. You just have to go through this one by one. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.